identifying toxins in daily life. First of all, just know okay, what is toxin. Toxin refers to a substance that is poisonous to human body. Actually, there are 20,000 toxins. We will not see each of them. So first of mainly there are virus, bacteria, metals, radioactive substances, chemicals, plastics, all are toxins only. So we will cover common foods that can be toxic. First of all, among them, there is cherry. Everybody eats cherry. It's a fruit. But cherry pitstone, seeds contained in it, is full of cyanide. If it is taken accidentally, actually doesn't cause harm. But if it is crushed and taken, then it is poisonous. Now, second is apple seeds. Everybody eats apple. Apple seeds also contain cyanide. Should never be taken. Always take apple and you should discard the seeds. Now, third is nutmeg. Everybody use nutmeg. How much do you all use? Pinch of. But yes, if it is taken 2 teaspoon or more, it is hazardous. See, हमारी दादी नानी बोलती थी कि only pinch of nutmeg use करना. क्यों ऐसा नहीं बोलती थी? 1 चम्मच भर के डाल दो. See, they must be knowing. हमारी जो दादी नानी पहले से जो ancestors हमको बोलते आ रहे वो एकदम सही होता है. See, this is the reason. Now, the fourth is green potatoes. We used to buy potatoes from the store. Sometimes you must have seen some potatoes have green patch in it. Some are green in color. So never use green potatoes because it contains a toxin glycoalkaloids, which is poisonous and causes diarrhea, even vomiting, nausea, vomiting, everything. So never use green potatoes. And second thing, sprout potatoes. Jab potato 1 week या 2 week पड़ा रहता है, then it starts sprouting. No, never use. Even if you want to use that type of potato, discard that sprouts. Then you can use, but never try to eat that sprouts material. It contains toxins. Now another is rhubarb leaves. We always used to eat stalks of it, but we never use leaves. We should not use leaves as it contains oxalic acid. Which causes adverse effect in the body, can create kidney stone, and it also makes our bones weak. Now, we should also not use raw kidney beans. We always eat legumes in a large quantity because it contains proteins, etc., etc. But कोई लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि eat raw ले लो ना, ज्यादा protein मिलेगा. No, actually it is very hard, but then also never think of it. Never use raw kidney beans as it contains lectins in it. Always use a soaked and boiled form. So another is wild almonds. There are 2 types, sweet and wild. If you buy almonds, 1 or 2 almonds, you will see it will be bitter in taste. Discard them, never eat, because wild almonds contain amygdalin, which is converted into lignite form, and it contains nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, etc. So never use that bitter one. Now, wild mushroom. There are many types of mushrooms, and there are 2 to 3 forms of wild mushrooms. Never use wild mushrooms. It causes nausea, vomiting, and if taken in larger amount, it causes coma and even death. Now, another one is cashews. You must have heard cashews. You all must be eating now. You must be saying cashews. Yes, raw cashews. You must be thinking raw cashews. We are eating raw cashews. Actually, you are not eating raw cashews. You are eating in a steam form cashews. Chemicals contain urushiol. Actually, these cashews manufacturers always use steam form. So to discard that urushiol content, it is removed, and they give us that steam form, and we are consuming that steam form. So we are not consuming that raw form. It is poisonous. Now, all must have a fruit, mango, everybody's favorite. You all must have eaten mangoes in a larger amount during summer season. But if you eat their skin, if you eat their bark or their leaves, they also contain uroshiols. So never use their leaves or barks. They are allergic. So all these are the common foods, where the common foods that can be toxins. Now we move on to toxins in the house, in household things. So first of all, plastic storage containers. Now, housewives, all females must be using somewhere plastic containers. Plastic storage container, plastic contains BPA, chemicals, which causes adverse effect to the foods which are stored in it. So never use plastic containers. Instead of use glass containers always, as plastics are always non-renewable sources, and it also causes harm to our soil. So never use it. Now another, another bathroom and household cleaners. We often use furniture polish. Now they contains VOC, and they are they are also carcinogenic. So always use organic form of that and DIY forms. Now another pesticides which are there in fruits and vegetables. So as soon as you buy fruits and vegetables, in a water, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and soak fruits and vegetables for 2 minutes, and then you can use it. Now about PVC and vinyl, they are found in shower curtain, garden hoses, in toys, in credit cards, all this. It consists cancerous materials in it. So always you use non-PVC, and for kids always use earthen vessels, toys. Now fabric softener. You all must be using fabric softener, like very common Comfort. You all must be using to soften our clothes, and they are used after washing. So they are all actually they are all full of chemicals. They causes respiratory distress, and they causes allergies, skin allergy, various types of skin allergies to the body. So never use fabric softener. If you want to make your clothes soft, always use baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And if you want smell, you can use lavender or citrus oil, mix it, and you can use at the last cycle of your washing clothes, washing machine. So clothes will also be shineable, and you will not have any problem, and you will get rid of the chemicals. Now carpet, everybody uses carpet in their houses. Now carpet also contains cancer allergens, also they contain dust mites, etc. So and carpets are not easily washable. So use mainly cotton and jute type of carpets which are easily washable. Okay, now household cleaning products. Household cleaning products, we are using bleach, urea cleaners. They emit chemicals, toxic fumes. They cause allergic complaints, respiratory complaints, and even increases asthma in asthmatic patients. So never use this type of chemicals. If you want to clean your house, then you can use normal household products like lemon. You can use baking soda, vinegar. You can all mix in a water and you can use. Then also your house will be clean. Now air fresheners and deodorants. Everybody is using deodorants, air fresheners. They are also cause allergic reactions, causes airway respiratory problems, and also increases asthma. So if you want to use it, use lavender oil or orange oil spray. Now another main thing, non-toxic pan, Teflon coating. We are using non-toxic pan and Teflon with Teflon coating. Now when they are heated, they contain smoke, and they also have cuts, and so emits various byproducts, toxins in it. So and causes flu-like symptoms, even causes cancer. So never use non-stick pan. If you want to use use iron pan or earthen pots or other pans. Now aluminum vessels, we use kadai, aluminum kadai nowadays. Everybody is using. So there also when it is heated to a certain point, it is aluminum is leached out in the food products, and so it also causes kidney failure, various kidney diseases, osteomalacia, and also causes anemia. So never use aluminum vessels. If you want to use, you can use stainless steel of good quality steel, CASA, bronze, and you can also use iron vessels. Now, aluminum foil, which is very common. हम जब बाहर से खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं, घर पे आता है, it is foods are always wrapped in aluminum foil. Actually, aluminum foil causes the same effect which aluminum vessels are causing. So never, even in kids' nasta box, lunch box, we are using aluminum foil to remain the food warm. Never use that. Instead, use butter paper. It will not cause any effect. It is good, but never use aluminum foil. It is hazardous. Last but not the least, want to say about pets. Nowadays, many houses, they keep pets, dogs, cats, etc. Now, pets hair has their animal protein, which mixes with the dust mites, air pollutants, and which causes various respiratory distress. Those who have respiratory problems, they should get they should once think to keep pet at home. And also, if pet has various bacterial or virus infection, and if pet touches us, we are also liable to fall ill. So always think before keeping pet at home. And if you are keeping pet, then they should be the house should be clean, their hair should be clean, and they should not if they are ill or sick, then they have to be well maintained, so that we should not fall sick. So these are all the things we should take care of, and if we take care of, then we will be toxins free. This is all up to now. Thank you.